Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix white blank shortcut icons on desktop Windows 11. First method is right click Start button, click Run, type %local up data %. Click 3 dots, click Options, click View tab, check Show Hidden Files Folders and Drives. Delete icon cache.db file. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.